Ready to permanently say goodbye to your Pandabuy account and ensure your data is wiped clean? First, log into your Pandabuy account on their website. Make sure you're using the correct login details to access your personal dashboard. Once you're logged in, locate your profile icon, usually found in the top right corner of the page. Click on it to reveal a drop-down menu. From the drop-down menu, select Account Settings. This is where you'll manage all aspects of your Pandabuy profile. On the Account Settings page, scroll down. You're looking for an option specifically labeled Delete Account or a similar phrase like Close Account. Pandabuy will likely present you with a warning explaining the consequences of deletion, such as losing your order history and purchase records. Carefully read this information before proceeding. To initiate the deletion, you'll need to click on the Delete Account button or a similarly worded confirmation. You'll probably be asked to re-enter your account password for security verification. This step ensures that you are the rightful owner requesting the deletion. Enter your password accurately. Pandabuy might also ask for a reason for deleting your account. You can provide a brief explanation if you wish, or select an option if available. After providing the necessary information and confirming your password, click the Final Confirm Deletion or Submit Request button. You should now see a confirmation message indicating that your account deletion request has been submitted. Pandabuy will typically process this request within a specified time frame, removing your personal information from their systems. And that's it. Your Pandabuy account is now on its way to being permanently deleted, safeguarding your personal data.